ladies, if you want to see how I achieve these lovely curls using a wash and go method without any gel, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this routine. Yes, 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 yes. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the products that we're going to be using today. Of course, we're going to start off first with some African shea butter. This is the brand that I use. And this is in the solid form. And then you will also need a paddle brush. Also have a wide tooth comb, a denim brush, a couple of hair clips, a few hair ties, and of course the product of the video is going to be our Untitled curling cream. Let me make sure. Yeah, the curl cream. Okay, so I have tried the curl sealer before, but the curl sealer was not for my hair. The consistency was a little off for me, and my hair felt really hard after I used it, so maybe it just was not for my hair type. But I do recommend this product. I love it, love it, love it, love it, especially because it keeps my hair soft and it remains the same texture even after drying, and I don't have to use gel to keep those curls popping and staying the same texture. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with freshly washed hair. I wash my hair off of camera, of course. If you guys would like to know my wash routine, please do not hesitate to ask me, because I would love to share. So let's go ahead and get into detangling our hair. So I like to part my hair into two sections. After I part it into the two sections, I go ahead and start detangling it section by section. So I'll take like maybe a fourth of the section, and I'll take it, add a little bit of my shea butter, go ahead and melt it on your skin, and then rub it into my hair. And then I take my paddle brush and just detangle it out. Alright, and while we wait, we're going to go ahead and just twist this away. Okay, so after we have our hair fully detangled, it's time to go in and start making those curls pop. So go ahead and grab your curl cream, and let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to part in a fairly small section. Clip the rest away. And then I am going to take this much curl cream, apply it to the hair, make sure I apply it real good. As you can see, the curls kind of start to pop. Then we take our denim brush and we're going to run it through it a couple times. And as you can notice, I'm taking my two fingers and I'm dragging it with the brush, so that I can get that curl formation that I want. Drag, and then those curls begin to pop. Sometimes I like to take my fingers through at the end. And as you can see, there go our curls. And if there are a couple of curls that you don't like, you can do what I'm doing, wrap it around your finger and let it go. take this small section in the back. Grab a small amount of curl cream. Apply it to that section. Take our demon brush. Drag it through the hair. Using our fingers. Following the brush. Then we want to take our fingers and run our fingers through it just a little bit. And you'll see those curls beginning to pop. So as you guys can see, I use no gel whatsoever. This product on its own works just fine for me. I love it, I swear by it, and it gets my curls right every single time. So I'm going to take a front section so you guys can see a little bit better. Don't worry about the shrinkage or thinking that you're going to mess with the curls tomorrow when you pull them out or make the curls stretch, because as y'all can see in my last tutorial, all you need is a little bit of a serum to pull out the curls and they will be just as popping as they are right now. So let's see, can y'all see it? Same process for the rest of my hair. And if you notice, I go back in my hair, and if I find sections that are not how I want them to be, I take them out and I give them a little bit more attention. Okay, so I did want to stop halfway through my hair because I wanted to make the point, if you wanted to make a part in your hair and wear it down to where you're going to pick it out and wear it in the fro, it's really important to go ahead and make that part so that you can get those curls to fall where you want them to fall. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the front of my hair, and I'm going to pretend as if I want my part to be right here. So you're going to make that part and you're going to pull that hair when you're doing it in the direction that you want it to fall. So if I wanted this piece of hair right here to fall to the front, I'm going to apply the cream and pull it in the direction that I want it to fall. So that when it dries, it's right there and you do not have to play with the curls too much. It's already in its position. Okay. So here. And again, this is part of the hair that I want to fall maybe forward. So I'm going to pull it forward and play with it in this area. Alright ladies, here's the finished product of our wash and go without using any gel. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.